So you've seen these posts. I made this amount of money with Suno, I made this, I made this, I made this. Sounds incredible, right? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Not the version that gets clicks, not the version that sells you a course at the end of it. The actual truth about what Suno is, what you can realistically make, and what are the risks that nobody talks about. Because yes, people are making money with AI music. That part is real, but the way it gets sold to you online, it's always misleading. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, what is Suno? It's an AI music generator. You type in a prompt, a description of what you want, and it creates a full song. Vocals, lyrics, production, everything in seconds. And it's real, the tool works. And there are a few plans. The free plan gives you 50 credits a day, enough to play with it. The pro plan is $8 a month. If you take the annual version, if you take the monthly one, it's going to be $10. Premier plan is $30. And here's something important. The free plan does not give you commercial rights, meaning you can't legally sell or monetize anything you make on the free tier. To actually make money from your music, you need at least the pro plan. Also, and this catches a lot of people off guard, if you made songs on the free plan and then you upgrade, upgrading doesn't give you rights to those songs that you've made before. They stay non-commercial. So if you're serious about this, you should start on a paid plan from day one, or don't use those songs at all. Now let's talk about the part most people skip. You've probably seen the screenshots, big income numbers, $5,000 in a month, in a day, whatever. Here's the thing, some of those people are also selling a course, or a PDF of prompts, or some kind of a guide. So their income isn't just from the music, it's from selling you the idea of music. Now, that doesn't mean that it's impossible, but it means you need to think carefully about what you're actually seeing. Here's the real math on streaming though. Spotify pays you around 0.003 to 0.005 per stream. So 1 million streams, which sounds massive, gets you roughly $3,000 to $5,000. That's before your distributor takes a cut. 10,000 streams, $40. To make streaming your main income, you need millions of streams every single month, consistently. Very few people get there. And the ones who do, it took years, not weeks. And here's something else nobody's saying loud enough. The AI music space is already flooded. Thousands of tracks get uploaded every single day. Most of them sound similar. The platforms are drowning in it, and they're fighting back. Have a look at this. This right here could kill your income overnight if you're not aware of it. Spotify removed over 75 million tracks. And this is in the past year alone. Mostly AI spam. They've rolled out new spam filters and AI detection tools. Now, they're not banning AI music, but they're aggressively banning lazy AI music. If you generate a track in Suno, export a file, and upload it directly to a distributor with no edits at all, you're exactly what those filters are looking for. And distributors are tightening up too. CD Baby and TuneCore won't accept 100% AI generated tracks at all. DistroKid will, but you need to confirm you own the rights, and it can't be mass generated spam. The platforms that do accept AI music require you to disclose that the music is AI generated and it gets labeled. And on some platforms, labeled AI tracks get removed from recommendation algorithms entirely. So even if your track goes up, it might not get discovered. This doesn't mean there's no opportunity, but you need to go in knowing this is the landscape right now. One more thing you need to understand before you start. Even with a paid Suno plan, even with commercial rights, you're not necessarily the legal owner of the songs. Suno's own terms say this clearly. Music made 100% with AI generally cannot be copyrighted because there was no meaningful human authorship. That means if someone copies your track, you might have no legal protection. The good news is there's a way around this. Add yourself to the process. Write your own lyrics, re-record parts, add your own elements on top of what Suno generates. The more human input you put in, the stronger your copyright claim becomes. All right, so what actually works if you want to make money with this? Go niche, really niche. The people making consistent money are not trying to make pop hits. They're making lo-fi study beats or meditation tracks or sleep music or ambient backgrounds. Why is this the case? Well, because these get played for hours. One listener studying puts on a playlist and streams it all day. And that's way more money per listener than a 3-minute pop song someone plays once and forgets. And less competition too. Easier to get onto playlists. Do not go 100% AI. Just use Suno as a starting point, not the final product. Add your own touches, edit the mix, write your own lyrics over the instrumental part, record your own voice. The more you put into it, the more it stands out from the flood of AI music now, and the stronger your legal protection is. And yes, do not rely on streaming. Streaming alone is brutal. The people doing well are stacking income. Selling custom tracks on Fiverr. Some people charge like $25, $35 for a 1-minute song. Also, you can license music to YouTubers, podcasters, and content creators who need copyright-free background music. You can upload to stock libraries like Pond5 or Audio Jungle, where tracks sell while you sleep. Also, YouTube ad revenue on your own channel. Streaming plus freelance plus licensing, that's where it starts to add up. Honestly, random tracks uploaded to Spotify go nowhere. The AI artists making real noise all have a persona, all have visuals, consistent style, and a social media presence, of course. They built something people actually follow. And that's the difference between 10,000 streams and 10 million. Now, let me be straight about who actually could try this. If you're genuinely interested in music and creative work, you're willing to learn, you understand this takes months and not weeks, and you're okay with slow, uncertain results, then yes, there's a real opportunity here. The tools are impressive, the barrier to entry is low, and someone is going to build something meaningful with this. Honestly, I think that. But if you need money fast, this is not it. If you think you're going to generate tracks all weekend and wake up to some passive income on Monday, it won't happen. If you're not willing to go deeper than just hitting generate and uploading, the platforms will filter you out. This is a long game, but for the right person, it's worth playing. So, can you make money with Suno AI music? Yes, but not the way it gets presented online. Not passively, not quickly, not by just generating songs and uploading them. The people making real money are treating this like a business, and they stick to it. They pick smart niches, they're adding their own creativity on top of the AI, and they're stacking multiple income streams. And they've been at it consistently for months. Suno is a powerful tool, one of the best in the space, honestly, but it's just a tool. It won't do the work for you. It won't build an audience for you. It won't make up for a bad strategy. So go with your eyes open. Just start with a paid plan if you're serious, or just test it out and add it later. Pick a niche and add your own touch to it. All right? And be patient. So that was the honest version of how this works. If you have the stomach for it, go for it. I'll catch you next time.